What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to save money using the cashback offers available on the coupons.com app. No more printing coupons, no more forgetting them at home. All you need is the app and your itemized receipt. So here I am at Target. I love to shop for groceries and household items here, but the cool thing about the coupons.com app is that you can redeem these cashback offers wherever you shop, from Whole Foods to 7-Eleven to Instacart. So I'm getting this Downy liquid detergent, which is normally $7.49, but I have a $2 off coupon on the app. These Oral-B flossers will also earn me $2 cashback on the app. And finally, I needed some new shampoo, so these Pantene products, which are normally $4.39 each, will earn me $5 cashback on the app if I purchase 3 of them. All right, so now that I'm home from Target with the goods and my itemized receipt, all I do is scan the receipt on the coupons.com app, and then you just enter your PayPal information and the money that you saved will appear right in your account. It is that easy. I saved about $10 this time, and you guys can save a ton of money too while shopping by downloading the coupons.com app today.